Let's dive into types of language registers. These registers help us adjust our language based on the setting and who we're speaking to. There are five main types. Number 1. Frozen register. This is the most formal. It is fixed and doesn't change. You'll see it in ceremonies like a wedding vow or a national anthem. It is highly instructed and traditional. Number 2. Formal register. This is still formal but more flexible. It is organized and professional like what you'd see in official documents, reports, or formal speeches. It is used when we need to be clear and respectful. Number 3. Consultative register. This register is slightly more conversational and allows back and forth dialogue. It is respectful and semi-formal, so think of interaction between a teacher and student or a doctor and patient. Number 4. Casual register. This one is relaxed and informal. We use it with friends and people we're comfortable with. It is natural and doesn't follow strict rules. Number 5. Intimate register. This is highly personal, used with close family members or partners. It is private and often includes terms of endearment showing deep familiarity.